Long story short, I gotta catch y'all up. Just like that, my glasses, them, and they changes. Cheers. Hey you guys, I'm gonna pick up where I left off. I believe that was me getting my glasses. Not only did I grab one pair, I grabbed two just to catch y'all up. Like I was having issues with my vision. Like I noticed it once I started like reading on my Kindle, and I would have to like zoom in and zoom out of the wording on the Kindle where it says like about this book. And when you click on that, the words get like extra small. If you need glasses, at that point you'll know, because on that part you can't like zoom in and zoom out. It's just small words, too blurry. I started getting like headaches and stuff. And catch y'all up, I went to the eye doctor. I need glasses. I got them. I want you guys to check them out with me. And then I'm gonna catch y'all up on my daughter prom. And then we also left out on my husband finishing up the fireplace in our family room. Yeah, let me take the glasses out. Now, if you remember, I showed you guys a pair of glasses from Dollar Tree and then another pair that I got from the TikTok shop. So my baby tore he tore the part off for the ears. He just took them and just, so it had me a little worried of when I get my prescription glasses to basically put them up, hide them every single time. If I don't need them, they should be put away, because this right here is like unacceptable. He did both of them like that. Like I wasn't tripping on the Dollar Tree ones because they from Dollar Tree. I get them $1.25 and they looked at almost exactly like this. So I picked out me some coach ones. What sold me on these, it's so cute, I just opened it up, but the box says Coach on there, and then the glasses they self has Coach on the side with my favorite color pink on the side, and they are the same. I don't know what this design is called. I'm gonna have to look it up. I love it. When I seen that they were like the ones that I already was in love with, I'm like, okay, I gotta have those. I'm gonna try these on with you guys. I just got these just regular prescription. If I would have known, I would have, I think it has a UV thing up in there too. But if I would have known, I would have got like the tint. I would have, did the whole 9. But that's what I did with the other glasses. But I'm gonna show y'all these first. These are so cute. Yeah, they are so cute. They're so cute. So especially like when I get my hair done, or yeah, I like these. I really do. So these will be like my everyday glasses, and I have some more. Let me show y'all the other pair. I don't know the name of these. These didn't have a name. I just really like the style because I seen a young lady like on TikTok. She had the same style, but they were like sunglasses. So when I got these, I got them in the sunglass tint. So anytime the sun hit these, they darken. And they have the UV, the Scotch Guard. They like these, the ones that have the whole 9s. They are so pretty when they are like tinted. I don't know how to show you guys that they are tinted unless like I take them outside and let the sun hit them, and they changes to a beautiful tint. Like, so I don't think these are like I don't think these are like a brand or anything. I just think that they are stylish. Just tweak them to how I like them. Yeah, we're on to something. Okay, so the other update, I have to put some on my lips real quick, but the other update, I don't mean to rush, but I do have to take my baby to his therapy appointment. So the prom, I have to show you guys how the whole prom, well, not how the whole prom went, but I'm gonna show clips of her dress was beautiful. The decorations was very beautiful. Like, our family and friends came out to support. I was so thankful. I'm so proud of her. We got her a graduation gift and she got a new car. Well, it's not like brand new, but it's new to her. Thankful for the whole experience. She actually did her own makeup and she just executed every single thing. Like, I was there to support her 100% all the way. Me and her dad, everything was so lovely and successful. She's thankful. I'm thankful. We're all thankful. So also, the other update was it's about my book that I had been reading, Anatomy of an Alibi. But I'm gonna let y'all know about that book when I return, because that book came all the way from April. It's reasons for me not reading it. Clearly, I had prom, graduation, my husband and I anniversary. We had 2 more children, their birthdays back to back. It was just so much happening at one time. So I was basically enjoying my family, the moment, everything. So I not paused on reading. I was reading, but I was reading very slowly, like a chapter here, a chapter there. So I became consistent with reading, like probably once everything was done and over with, like the end of May. So I'm gonna tell y'all about my April. Supposed to have read in April, but clearly it lingered on. And the 2 books I'm reaching to read for June, which is The Scammer, and the other one is called 7 Days in June. So yeah, I'm gonna be reading both of those for the month of June, so we could get back on track for our book of July. And then fast forward, get back, and I go downstairs. I'm gonna show you guys the fireplace update and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and take my baby to therapy. When I come back, we're gonna go downstairs, chat with y'all for a bit about books. I'll see you guys when I get back. And just like that, my glasses was my fault. Carelessly put them in my purse without the case, and it got scratched up. I didn't think something was in my purse to scratch my glasses up, but thankfully they are under a warranty. Brought me some cute little eyeglass pouches. They simple. The eyeglass case that they came in was so bulky, so it's like it don't fit in every purse that I have. Hey y'all, okay, these are the eyeglass cases. Squeeze it, it opens. So I go pick up my glasses tomorrow. I'm so excited about that. You guys don't know, but I had surgery on my wisdom tooth. I couldn't even talk. Like, my jaw was so swollen. My wisdom tooth was growing in like a candy cane. So I was in a 2-hour surgery. It was bad. So you guys know my videos be like based around beauty, self-wellness, a little bit of lifestyle, right? But I just gotta catch y'all up. Long story short, I had been struggling with my weight for so freaking long. After my last kid, I was like 194. I went down to 163. I'm a short girl. I'm 5 foot even. I have no business being that size. My normal weight before I got pregnant with the boys, I was like 130 pounds. I love that weight, like, on myself. So for me to have all that extra weight on me, I was feeling like, I guess, a bit of self-conscious. Like, I feel like I forgot about myself. Like, with pouring into everything, everybody else, and then things in life happen and I lost myself. Me slowly pouring back into myself, that means I'm gonna do whatever it is that makes me happy. That's why I started like doing my makeup again, doing my hair, and well, I don't do hair, but I'll get a wig in a second. Also, just like pampering myself, going to the nail shop. Like, what else can make me feel like good? I was eating healthy, exercising. Okay, I was eating healthy, exercising, and the weight wasn't coming off the way I wanted it to come off. Or I wouldn't even say like I'm in a rush to do it, but at the point so when I went to the doctor, I was 161 pounds. I was drinking waters, no pops, no sodas, no eating healthy. And I only lost 2 pounds within like 5 or 6 months. And it's like, what am I doing? I just felt like I needed an extra willpower. I decided that I was gonna start the GLP-1. I went through the company Freya. I will link their website in the description box. I'm telling you guys because I genuinely love their support. I went and seen my family doctor, and you know, she just let me know that I was a great candidate for it. All my blood work was good and everything, and I stayed in communication with my doctor, with my nurses, so that I can know I'm staying on the right track. So with that being said, yes, I started my husband. So with that being said, yes, I started the GLP-1, and I started back in June. Now, because time has went by, I know it has been a month. I'm gonna tell you guys this. Okay, I took the injection. 3 days later is when I noticed a difference. I woke up, I didn't reach to make breakfast in a hurry. It was out of my normal, because like every morning I'm waking up, making my family a breakfast, and instead I woke up, I drank some water, I read scriptures in my Bible. I was just like, oh wow. I'm like, I ain't think about food. So I can say, like, from this month, what I have noticed is I did a lot of research as well. I did a lot of research. I hear a lot of women say that they have different symptoms. I have been taking this medication for a month now. I can honestly tell you guys, I have no symptoms. Like no symptoms. Like I can say positive things. I have took control of what I eat, when I eat, and not only that, but you know how sometimes like you will feel hungry and you get fatigued or like feeling weak. It's like this medication masks all of that. I can be at work 8 hours without eating a thing. That has never happened. For me to be at that point, I was like, okay, I'm taking my control back, and I felt really good about myself when I noticed that. And I told myself, I'm like, I don't want to weigh myself until I notice a difference. Like I noticed the difference in my behavior, but I wanted to feel the difference, like as far as body wise. 4th of July. I don't know what happened on the 4th of July. I had my scale out, but some reason it's gone. One of my coworkers had recommended this company to me because she's doing it and she looks really good. So I'm like, okay, well, let me try it out, because one thing about me, like if I try something, I want to try something from someone who I know, or you know, I gotta see some type of history behind it. she had told me, she said, I see a difference. One thing I know is that you have to stay high in your protein and you have to drink a hell of a lot of water, and I have been doing both of those. I'm not sure if that's why I don't have like symptoms like that, but it is something that I stay consistent on top of. I don't play about it. And yeah, I have been consuming even more vegetables. Like I'm a vegetable eater. If y'all know, y'all know. I always loop back to vegetables. I love bread as well, but it's so easy for me to cut bread off now. Like I don't need bread, crackers and stuff. I feel like I have my control back. My coworker, she was telling me like, you know, you starting to look like you slimming down. I could tell like the water weight going away. Mind you guys, I was started out at 161 pounds. She tells me to come step on the scale in the restroom. So I go in the restroom, I step on the scale, guess what? If cars don't even ride past here, like what? So I go in the restroom and I step on the scale. You guys, the scale said 152. What? That's 9 pounds in 1 month. 9 pounds in 1 month? Like I am freaking proud of myself. I could not never go under 157. And for me to see 152 on the scale, I'm like, this scale tripping. I'm like, because I felt a difference, but I didn't see a difference. And for me to step on the scale and I seen 152, I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm happy. I'm gonna go to Walmart, give me a scale. But yeah, I want to just take you guys along the journey with me and just, you know, share this moment with y'all. When I get stressed, a lot of people can't eat. I eat, and I eat. Okay, I eat. I have to be mindful now and just, oh my God, I'm so proud of myself, and I am gonna take you guys along this journey with me. Last month, I started out at a 20 milligram. So this month, my nurse raised it to a 40 milligram. It's not that the medication is not working. This is part of you get like, okay, so when I start, I got a plan. Of course, they don't want to put me just on the highest dosage because it can shock my body or I could be allergic to it, and why give me that much if, you know, I never did this before. So just to wing me into it. My nurse started me out on the lowest dosage, and that was all last month. I take the injection every Wednesday. It's weekly. Today is Wednesday, and I gotta take my injections. I'm not gonna do it like on camera. I am not gonna show y'all that. I seen some people taking their injections, like showing the actual thing, but I don't want to show that. So, but I am gonna take it right here on camera. So, and then like if y'all have questions about it, just ask in the comments, and I will answer you as we go, because I'm still learning this journey as well, and that's part of why I am sharing it with you guys. This is so important for me. I'm so happy like right now with my result. And my goal weight, y'all, between 125 and 130. So 130 is where I was at, but I'm okay with even going to 125. I don't want to go lower, but 125, 130, between those numbers, I'm good. Let me take my injection. My husband and I are about to go out to dinner. We're going to Cooper's Hawk. That's probably one of our favorite restaurants, but I don't know, I may take y'all along for a little bit, because I mean, date nights be kind of intimate, and then I be needing all his attention because he works a lot. So I don't know, I may pull y'all out a little bit though. Little bit. Hold on, because this is my first time taking the 40 milligram. Oh my goodness. I don't know, geeky, quirky, I don't know. Okay, so hold up. You gotta calm down, because I gotta calm down, okay? What's really bad is that I knew I was struggling so bad with my weight that I don't have any before pictures. Like, I only have like pictures or videos that other people have took of me. So if that'll work, then okay, but I'll show you guys like the before and after, probably when I reach my goal weight. I'm gonna take the top off. I ain't even take no picture of it. Oh my goodness. Hold up real quick. Let me take a picture of something on my bed. Here we go. I took the top off. Okay. Going in. It's going in. It's in. Okay, and just like that, we're done. We're going to Cooper's Hawk, but it's a bit chilly outside. It's like 70 degrees out in July. Put on this black like V-neck I got from Shein. I got like 2 or 3 of them. Yeah, I got 2 black ones and I have 2 black shirts and 1 white one. I should have got more white ones like this. That's the shirt, and then these joggers from Fashion Nova, and then I'm gonna put on my Vibrams. So, and then that's gonna be the little comfy look. I put some jewelry on though. Hold up, let me put my stuff on real quick. You know what? You slipped out of my hand one more time. I'm on. Okay. That's cute. This one, don't give me troubles. Ooh, okay. So now I can put my clothes on.